Okay. So she has been playing the violin since the age of 5, but she loved it apparently since she was 2. Now she's a proud grade 7 violinist, known for her signature blue violin. Mia McIntyre joins me now for a chat about her musical journey, her passion, and what's next for her in the future. Hi, Mia. How are you?
I'm good.
I love your violin.
Thank you so much.
You were gifted a violin by a family member.
Yes.
Who knew that your favorite color
was blue. Yes.
But from 2 years old, you knew you loved it?
Yes.
What about the violin makes you happy?
Well, I don't know. It's just such a beautiful instrument. Like, it's so different. It's so unique, and it just has such a beautiful sound. And it has a very good range as well. Like, you can play high pieces, you can play low. It's just so good.
Yeah, when you get it right. Because it's not an easy instrument to play either. So tell me about that journey. Learning it, how hard, how easy was it to become so familiar with it that you felt like a pro?
Well, I don't remember the very early bit too much because it was like quite a bit ago. But
was it easy? Was it hard?
It's kind of easy.
It was easy for you?
Yes.
It's a gift?
Yes.
It's a gift. You played with the orchestra?
Yes, I played with the orchestra.
Okay. And so when you think about your future in music, what do you ultimately want to do with this thing? Because I see you're a troublemaker. So you obviously...
I want to be a violin teacher. Just like my violin teacher, Mrs. Bellamy, because she's so awesome and she's like my favorite and I love her so much. And I want to be an awesome violin teacher just like her.
She is amazing.
Yes,
you know that she was, long time ago when I was in Little People, there is me at graduation. She used to be our musical director.
Oh yeah, she taught a bunch of places. Yeah, she taught like
people,
so many people, yes.
Yep. But Mia, you're an arts girl.
Thank you,
Because you play, you dance, you're a ballerina and all.
Yes, I do ballet.
And you say you do a little bit of singing too. So outside of being a violin teacher, what else is in store for you? What else do you want to do in the arts?
I want to study architecture because I like to draw and I like to design stuff. So even when I play Roblox, like I'm always playing Bloxburg and like building houses.
Yes. Oh my God.
Because I really like that stuff.
Yes, man, you and Aaron Cooper can live. And so you are a creative by your very nature. Yes. So what subjects are you doing now?
In sixth form, I'm about to start art, digital media, and building mechanical and engineering drawing.
Wow.
Yes, so basically TD, yeah. So I'm just going to continue with that.
Where you get this from? Is your mother? Can your mother bake? Your mother sing?
Probably.
The art is in your blood.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Okay, so what is your favorite genre to play? You played with the orchestra, so you know classical.
Yes.
What did you play this morning again for us? What did you do this morning?
Oh, Stand By Me.
Stand By Me. So you're going into the classic R&B
and
soul.
Yes.
And now you're going to do
some reggae.
Yes. So what's your favorite genre to play?
Probably reggae. I don't know. I like the more upbeat stuff because usually when people hear a violin, it's just slow. And yes, I'm trying to introduce more reggae and like dance hall and just more upbeat stuff that you won't usually hear a violinist playing. Yes, so like
bringing
something
a youthful
different.
sound.
Yes.
Okay, and you play by ear as well as by sheet music.
Yes, I do.
Tell me what is this ABRSM exam? Okay,
so they're basically. It's an international music examination type thing.
Royal School of Music?
Yes, something like, yes.
Is that London-based?
I'm not too sure.
Okay.
No, I think so.
Okay.
I'm not too sure.
Distinctions in that exam at 8, you were recognized with the High Scorer Award given to the youngest ABRSM candidate with the highest score in the island. You're a grade 7 violinist now. Violin goes to what, 8?
Yes, it does.
Ballet?
Yeah,
you're going to continue the ballet, Mia?
I'm not sure yet. Okay. But I'm kind of sticking to music because I just got a flute for my birthday because I really wanted to do flute, but mommy told me that when I mastered violin, I could get flute.
Well,
so
guess
now I feel
what?
like I mastered violin.
Flute,
so
you're up.
I want to take up that in my free time. I've been practicing a lot earlier this year, but I kind of dropped it a little. Since it's summer, I've been just like making videos in my violin.
Are you teaching yourself the flute?
Trying to, yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm trying to be self-taught.
Yeah, well, you truly can learn anything.
Thank you, yes.
We are proud of you. We are
Thank you
excited
so
to see where this goes for you, and we
Thank
are
you.
now excited to hear you play Taurus Riders. She's royal on her blue violin, musical prodigy, Mia McIntyre. Yes, Claire? Eh? Oh. Where are you found on social media?
Oh, the girl with the blue violin on TikTok and Instagram, the girl with _ the blue violin.
Girl with the blue violin.
Yes.
Here she is playing her blue violin. Take it away, Mia.